Is this just another potato harvesting video? More or less. But I did want to show that I got this big pot from Bunnings, which is basically a big box store, hardware store thing here in Australia. And it's the biggest pot I could find. It cost me about $20 Australian. And it's just over 500 wide, and I'm not sure how tall it is, but it's the biggest pot I could find at the time. I put 4 potato tubers in here. They were called the Royal Blue, and I added a lot of azalea potting mix because potatoes are supposed to like acid soils. Also, I could have harvested these easily at least 6 weeks ago, but life has gotten in the way and I just haven't gotten to them. First though, I need to extricate it from here where it is. I've got all this weed and everything I have to clean up once I get it out, but I've got to make a little path and drag it out because I don't think I'll be able to carry it. So I'll do that first, and then we'll find out how well the potatoes grew in this big pot. If it works well, they're still available and I will get a whole heap more because I think they're a great size. But let's get it out of here first. I was going to lift this up and tip it out in the wheelbarrow, but that ain't happening, so I'll just tip it on the ground, get the potatoes out, and then I'll just shovel up what's left over and put it in the wheelbarrow. This will end up in the compost, I think, or I might put it, I've got a little raised bed just there that needs a bit of topping up. I might put it in there yet. I've got carrots and lettuce growing in there. But let's see how we go. Oh, well, we've got to start. I have also meant to say I've been growing these in the veggie garden I've got at work. Oh, I've got ants in here too. And they don't appear to be a big cropper, so I'm not expecting a lot out of this. Lots of little ones. I had another pot here as well that I harvested a little while ago, and I did basically get just all little ones. But that's all right. There's nothing wrong with little potatoes. Oh no, look at this. Okay. Little ones, little ones. I had quite a big infestation of 28, I think they call it 28 spotted lady beetle, which chewed the bajingis out of the leaves and possibly affected the overall harvest. Still going. Oh, that's probably the original seed. This isn't too bad. Like I say, they are small, but one other thing I wanted to mention was I did get a lot of leaf, a lot of growth. So I'm imagining that the potting mix I used was a little bit high in nitrogen, and I probably could have balanced that out with a bit of potash, which would have also helped with the size and even possibly the amount of potatoes I got. But I'll have to try that again next year. See, because the only thing I'm not 100% happy with is the size. Like, there's enough potatoes there, but they're just all small. If I could get bigger potatoes, I'd be a lot happier, I think. Not that I'm all that disappointed. I think that's it. Yeah, looks like it. So, in conclusion, I will get a couple more of these. I think they're a mighty good sized pot. Possibly up the amount of potash I apply to the potting mix. The 28 spotted lady beetle is always a problem. I just probably need to be more conscientious. The only way I get rid of them is in a small area like this, is just to keep picking them off and squishing them, which isn't a pleasant job, but it's just one of those things you got to do. So there you go, royal blue. That purpley blue that you see there, when you cook them, just turns back to normal potato skin colour. But also, I made a potato salad with these last night, and it was just delicious. And I'm sure most of that was because of the taties. But these, I can just boil these up or roast them whole, pretty much. They'll be lovely. There you go. Cheers, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Ants. Always, if you've got pots, you're always gonna have problems with ants. Oh, now I've got to clean up my mess.